You've heard the story of former reggae boy Luton Shelton being diagnosed with a rare disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. This evening, the health report takes a look at the illness for which medical experts say there is no known cause. TVJ's Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Health report. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, is a disease that gradually results in paralysis because the brain is no longer able to communicate with the muscles of the body. Despite volumes of research done, family physician Dr. Winston Dawes says a cause has still not been identified.
There will come a lot of theories. There's supposed to be glutamine, an amino acid, which is found in high concentration. They found some people in the military in the US who had it. The theory of toxins. Nobody knows, and all they've been able to do is observe the rate of decline of the patient.
However, there are several potential risk factors that could be linked to the disease, which includes genetics. Dr. Dawes says if a parent has it, there is a 10% chance the child could get it. Most times, persons who have ALS do not know until it is severe.
Weakness, have difficulty in speech, eventually have difficulty in breathing, swallowing, and the unfortunate thing is that your intellectual powers remain there. So you might want to speak, and you're not able to speak because you're so weak.
It affects people of all races and ethnic backgrounds. ALS is also difficult to detect. But a medical expert can diagnose based on history of the symptoms and signs observed over time.
And there's no real way to arrest it. You're giving steroids, various other things. Eventually, you have to go on a ventilator to help you breathe, and sometimes to swallow, they have to give you pass a tube in the stomach or so.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health. Health report.